Welcome to our HVAC tutorial, your gateway to the fascinating world of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. From understanding the basics like pressure and airflow to exploring components like air handling units and heat pumps, we're here to guide you through the essentials of HVAC engineering. Discover the different types of systems designed to keep spaces comfortable and efficient. Learn about measurements and instruments that help us analyze and optimize HVAC systems, making sure they work effectively. Explore practical applications like duct traverses and system balancing, essential for maintaining optimal performance. Get to know the tools and instruments that professionals use every day to keep HVAC systems running smoothly. Dive into system variations like variable air volume (VAV) systems, offering flexibility and efficiency in air distribution. Our tutorial blends theory with real-world applications, empowering you to design, maintain, and improve HVAC systems confidently. Join us on this educational journey as we demystify HVAC engineering